so we're here with Anderson. Anderson is one of the owners of Face of Wood Flooring, a company who does hardwood floor installation, staircase, baseboard, and much more. And Anderson is he's applying the glue here and using a specific type of route. And as you can see here, you see that? That's the glue. He's preparing. He's going to install one more range of hardwood floors. So installing this hardwood.
The throw is the size is 316 by 522.
Okay.
The throw recommended by the glue manufacturer.
The glue manufacturer. All right. So we have the glue here. So that's Luciano. Luciano. So you're cutting like the hardwood floor because you're doing like a detail installation on the corner. Yeah, let's go take a look at Luciano in action here. And while Anderson is applying the glue. Okay, so he's installing.
Important, you can cut exactly for don't leave gap. Oh, so look and check this one.
Okay, so you took it there, you made a cut. You can see, so perfect.
So important to you leave that little space between the wood and the wall of baseboard.
Why do you need a space in there?
You have to leave space because you should, in case the wood expands, you have space for the wood.
For the expansion contraction. Okay. Okay, that's wonderful. All right. And also, Anderson was explaining about the quarter round. Would you like to show that is that the quarter round thing?
No.
What is that?
This is the space you can see here. I put little space here for the wood doesn't come against the wall.
Okay.
But after finish, I rip it up this and put molding here for cover this gap.
Okay.
This molding you can we call quarter round. The quarter round we don't have here yet.
No, have it. Okay.
Piece of shoe molding. It's like this.
Oh, it's like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's called, something like that's called quarter round.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is shoe molding.
Shoe molding, okay. All right. So, later on we're going to see that. All right, so here again, we are at the 2880 here in Pompano Beach. It's the name of the condominium is called The Point, and we're installing around 1,100 square feet of hardwood floor engineered. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you.